Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper, yes, of Monday September the 6th 2021. There is no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I've decided to continue with the additional of Friday, September 3rd, 2021, because the Saturday edition is already solved. So one puzzle left in the Friday edition. I've already done the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So one puzzle left, the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, 1-star Sudoku. No, Tectonic. And this one will be number 3354. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, only one single box. Yeah, only one. Single box is always a 1. Do we see here the dual box? I see here a dual box and there a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a 1 here. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, dual box, triple box. Alright, time for the triple box. I see only one triple box here. And the triple box, you can see here also a triple box. It's already filled in, the 1, 2 and 3. It contains the 1, 2 and 3. And if you see a triple box, important is the inside box, the box next to the middle box or the center box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it must be the 4 or the 5. Here also 4 or the 5. Okay, same like here. The 4 is already filled in, so this box could be 4 or a 5. Remember, okay? Triple box, quadra box. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Alright, so the next stage, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. Alright, this shape, remember, if you see this shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, this shape. Alright, this shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. More of this kind of shape? No. I have here the L shape. Rotated. Yes, the L shape. Alright, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Here another L shape, upside down. This box has always the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Okay. This shape. Remember, if you see this shape, this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shape in this puzzle? No. Oh, I've missed this one. The previous one. Yeah. Rotated. This one, yes. So this box has the same number as that box. So it's a 4 or 5. Okay. Then. This shape. No. I've missed also another one here. This box has the same number as that box, but it's rotated. This figure, this shape has the same figure as this shape. Yes. Then the last one I see, the T shape, the T figure. Yeah, T figure, T shape, T construction. And if you see the T shape, it has 2 boxes with the same number. Yes. This box has the same number as that box. Yes, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. But also that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so let me draw this up again. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 5. Alright. This is the same. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 2, the 3, and the 4. Let me mark those, a 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers a 3 and a 4. Again, yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, so 1 box left for the 1. I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 should be here. Alright, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4 again. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here in this T shape, so it cannot be a 4, otherwise we have double 4. So it must be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here 2 numbers left. In this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes. And there, 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Right, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. In this triple box, we have 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes in this L shape cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. 3 and the 4 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Alright, then this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 2 in this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2 here, but we already have a 2. So it cannot be a 2. It's not the solution to place a 2 here. The 2 should be here. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 in this area. So it cannot be a 4. It should be a 5. Alright, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. And the final number in this area for the number 3. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Alright. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. Playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.